Hello, dear friends. Today we are going to talk about this, that, these, and those, when they are used, and what the differences between them are. Let's study each one separately. Number one, this. This is used in English when we want to point at to a person, an object, or an animal that is near us, meaning it is close to us. For example, this is a car. Look, my friends. In this sentence, we use this and pointed to the car. This means the car is near us and it is singular. Number two is that. That is used when we wanted to refer to a person, object, or animal that is far from us, meaning it has a large distance from us. For example, that is a boy. Dear students, in this sentence we use that because we are pointing to a boy who is far from us and is singular, meaning he is not beside us anymore. Number three, these. We use these when we want to refer to people, objects, or animals that are near us and are plural. For example, these are new chairs. Look, my friends, in this sentence we use these because we are referring to the multiple items, a plural noun that are close to us. And number four, those is also used with people, objects, or animals, but only when they are plural and far from us, and we are pointing at them. For example, those are used machines. Look, friends, here those refers to several machines that are far from us. This was today's grammar lesson. I hope it was useful for you. And now let's go to the practice page. Complete the sentences using this, that, these, or those. For example, this is my favorite book, near and singular. And now we have a dialogue. I will read it, so listen carefully and then practice it by yourself after me. Ali, what is this? Sarah, this is my new phone. Ali, wow, it looks great. What are these? Sarah, these are my earbuds. Ali, and who is that man over there? Sarah, that is my uncle. Ali, oh, and those kids playing in the park? Sarah, those are my cousins. Now we have some useful vocabulary words with examples. I'll pronounce them and then you should memorize them. Nearby, close to you. Distance, how far something is. Object, a thing you can touch or see. Singular, one person or thing. Plural, more than one. Point, to show with your finger. Cross, on the other side. Now it is your turn. Repeat the grammar section on your own and make sure to complete your homework. Practice the dialogue several times by yourself and also make sure to memorize the vocabulary. Dear friends, if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Your support helps me continue working sincerely and sharing more useful lessons with you. Dear students, if you would like to take this course in our 1-hour online classes where you will practice live dialogues, get your exercise checked, and receive feedback on your mistakes, and by the end of the course speak English fluently, you can send a message to the email address below for more information and registration. Until next time, bye.